last year, you guys who watched my vlog last year may remember this field here. This tree that's straight ahead here I had a climber in it last year. Spin around here, creek bottom right there, little trail coming up out of there, and maybe 15-20 yard shot here to that rub on that cedar. That's about 3.5 inches across right there. Looks like a nice deer might have got a hold of that. Now, when I was bow hunting down here last year, this field was in corn. There's nothing in here now though. This is cool. Looks like somebody's got him a, I don't know, homemade feeder out here or something. Let's see what's in it. Nothing at the moment. Looks like the game have been utilizing the hedge trees here, the hedge apples. You can see the shreddings and whatnot there. Right, Rebecca?
Yeah.
You can see that we've got a lot of shavings around here on these hedge trees. I've seen deer eat this stuff too. Squirrels, I don't know, maybe rabbits do too. Mouth of this logging trail here, getting ready to head on in. Leads down to the South Grand River bottom. I had you down here with me last year on the walk through the river bottom video. Had a cool picture of that possum. Check that out, guys. This year I've got a Kodak PlaySport, so I can bring it to you in high definition. This is 1080p right now. Well, we're getting ready to parallel the South Grand River here. Down here on the river bottom. We're getting ready to see if we can flush some squirrels or rabbits out of here. Must have been a pretty good wind down in there to knock that one over.
Well, North Squirrel. Well, that stinks. My brother didn't see it, so Here he is, smiling and away as preferably always. And my dad is trying to figure out if he saw that squirrel. Hope my brother is correct. Here's a mushroom. It's a big one. White and so sweet, but don't touch. Here's some small ones. They look yummy, but don't eat them.
This field is on the extreme west end of this logging road. We just came out here. Last year, when I was here, this field was up the corner. This year it looks like it's just kind of growing back. It kind of looks like straight ahead there, that might be a winter wheat field. But we're just going to keep on rolling along here on our walk. Yeah, we're getting ready to head back into the timber here. It's not as thick here coming back, but we'll be heading east back toward the parking lot where we're at. Hopefully we can find something to shoot at here.
Sure enough, we didn't find any small game hunts. I think it was the four of us. It was Meredith making too much noise, and at the end, which was a nice ending, we saw a beautiful sunset. And Dad got some video and I got some pictures. So it was a pretty good day of fun, but we didn't find anything to shoot. But we saw lots of snow geese migrating that way, which is north?
South.
South.
Yep.
Happy
hunting, y'all. 1, 2, 3.
Happy hunting.
Until next time,
Happy hunting, y'all.